first. She say,
the affiliates, nigga, pay attention.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be another wig review, and today this hair is from, let me get the box. This hair is from AliPearl hair. I have a 28-inch water wave wig, and then this is the box right here. And then it comes with satin edge scarf, an elastic band, an edge brush, a satin bag to put your wig in when you're finished wearing it, and a how to wash your wig or hair care kit. So that's really nice. Is the wig that I will be reviewing today. And I'm excited because, well, okay, so they gave me a middle part wig. I thought they were gonna send me like a 13x6 or 13x4 like frontal where I have to customize it and bleach the knots. I don't have to do that because it doesn't give you any lace. It only gives you the middle part and then a little bit of lace to customize your baby hairs. So this is what it looks like on my head. This is 28 inches, so let me stand up and show you guys where it hits, where the length hits me. I'm like confused because I never had a wig like this before, so I don't know where to even start. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the wig. I'm going to cut the lace off because that's number one. This is giving me like auntie wig, you know. I'm gonna pluck out a little bit of the part and see if that makes any difference, and then I'm going to try to put some baby hairs in this wig to see if that will make it look any better. Okay, so I thought I was gonna do some baby hairs in this wig. I'm not gonna do that because they gave you literally like this much hair on the sides of the wig and in the middle. One thing that I should have done before was bleach the knot. So like I said, I'm learning, okay? I do makeup, I don't do wigs, but I'm gonna try to do this, because if I learn how to do wigs like really well, I'm not ever gonna go to nobody to do my hair again. So that's my goal, is to be good enough so that I don't have to go to nobody to do my hair. But yeah, I'm just going to, Jesus, I'm just gonna flatten the top a little more, and then wet the hair, and I'll come back on here and I'll talk to you more about this hair. So I don't have a spray bottle, so we're gonna do it the ghetto way and get a cup or like a container of water, and then I'm gonna just dump my brush in, and yeah, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my water and my brush right there. I'm going to be using my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse, and I'm just going to put that on the top of my hair. This hair is bomb. Like, I'm not even about to hold y'all. Like, this hair is bomb. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. I absolutely love this hair. The wig construction, not so much, but if you guys are looking for a curly wig that you could just put on and go, all you gotta do is put some water in it, put some mousse in it, this is the wig to get. This is a very easy wig. If you guys are looking for that, and if you don't want to, you know, bleach the knots and do all that wig construction for the install, this is the wig to get. I keep saying that, but it's true. This hair is amazing. Some of the best hair that I've had so far. I'm gonna show you guys the length again. So I'm 4'11", as you guys know, and it comes down to my waist, a little bit lower than my waist, like right here. I'll turn around so you guys can see. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media networks, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.